In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could take a screenshot here on a MacBook. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's two different ways to go ahead and do this, and it's going to work no matter what you're doing, whether it's your entire screen, just a specific part, and any app or browser that you're using. If you want to take a screenshot of your full screen, you're going to want to go ahead and hold down Command, Shift, and then hit the 3 key. And as soon as you do that, it's going to take that screenshot, and you'll see a little preview of what that screenshot's going to look like in the bottom right corner. That essentially means the screenshot was taken and saved. And of course, it'll usually save to your desktop as well. I'm going to go ahead and delete this though. Now, if you only want to take a screenshot of a specific part of your screen, essentially do the exact same thing. Hold down Command, Shift, and then 4, and this is going to bring up a little page that looks like this. It's kind of like a little plus icon. From here, just click and drag to take a screenshot of the highlighted area. As you can see, I'll take a screenshot of this right here, and the screenshot, once again, will save automatically. And it'll also show you a preview of what it looks like right here. Once again, I'm going to delete this because who needs a screenshot of that? But it really is as simple as that. That is how you could take a screenshot here on a MacBook. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.